How do I get rid of this? Okay. Make sure you write this twice. K minus 7, then K minus 7, and then distribute to get the answer, okay? That means multiply that to that, that to that, so K squared minus 7K. And then the other way right here, get negative 7K, and that's a 49. So your answer is K squared minus 14K, add 49, okay? And same with these. These, make sure you write it twice before you distribute, okay? And I'm not going to put the answer. You guys should know. Now for this one, I will put the answer. You distribute 5 x squared x to the 5th power. When you multiply, you add the exponent. Okay, and then here you plus x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd. And this here you get negative 10 y and x to the 2nd, or actually x comes first. And then y. These two are not alike, so leave it. Add, or actually minus, right? Minus 10y and x squared. Hold on, I did that already. Sorry, that's that one. Not thinking. And then this one here, you get a negative 2y cubed. And that is your answer. None of them are alike. You can't combine like terms. So make sure you know that. Factoring, make sure we did this. I'll see your work. I'll see your work on all these. So I think you guys know how to do this. I don't need to put my answer up. I think this is too. Now, that's all I want. Okay, so just so those of you who are absent are doing this, we can do the magical X, 70, 19, right? I'm doing number 8. And our factor is 7, 5, 5, 5, 14, 15, 5 and 14, right? And 5, they're both positive because you add up to that. Okay. And then you divide by the leading coefficient of 10. Put an m there. And you can simplify that to 7 over 5m. Simplify that. And then your answer is 5m plus 7. And then 2m plus 1. Check your answer. This is 5m plus 7 plus 1. Check it, make sure you did it correctly. Sometimes you remember your steps wrong. 10m squared plus 5m plus 14m plus 7. And combine that to get your 19 here. Yeah, that's correct. So your answer is this one here. Make sure you factor out this one first by 3. So your answer is going to be 3 and whatever. So that is w squared minus 2w minus 8, negative 8 and negative 2, 4, 2, like that. So divided by 1, 1w, 1w. So your answer is 1w, or w minus 4 for this one. And this is a plus 2 right here, so 1w plus 2, or just w plus 2. Okay, what other things? Oh yes, 60, you need to divide all by a -1 first before you factor. And if you have, let's say, you need to notice that these are perfect squares. And to get b to 0, it's 3, so your answer is 3, and 169 is 17. C, to get 0, it's a plus and then a minus, right? So it's 3c minus 17. And that's your answer for that one. If you forget though, like this one, you can always, number 50, do magical x, -9, 0, -3, 3. And then your answer is divide by leading coefficient of 9. -1/3 y, and the other one is 1/3y. So your answer is 3y minus 1 and 3y plus 1. Notice, same thing as taking the square root. Okay. Makes it shorter. And this, do by grouping. 4 terms you always do by grouping. Divide by u squared, divide by -1, and then you factor. So you get u squared 3u minus 1, and then here is get -1, 6u plus 2. Oh, divide by 2, -2. That changes it. Oh, okay, notice I got this one wrong. The reason why I noticed it got wrong because this one here. So things like that. And so it's u squared minus 2 and then 3u plus 1. You can check it and see. And here you divide by y, right? So your answer for the 70 is like that. Okay, that's how you do those. If you need to know the answer, check it to see if you're right or wrong. Make sure you check. I'm not going to put the answer. I expect you to check and make sure